Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to solve one of the question which came 2023 CSSE 2023. Yeah, so the question number 5 we're going to discuss. There are 5 parts. Okay, so I reckon this video going to be into 2 parts here. So first part we're going to discuss about part 1, part 2, and the second part we're going to discuss about part number 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, so this is a very important question with the exam point of view. So let's just start. Okay, so the question about the sequence. Okay, this time they haven't given about like n term sequence or arithmetic sequence. Okay, they're just giving the rule. Okay, so they're giving a rule about adding 4 divided by 2. Okay, so the question number 5. um so CSSE 2023, and the question number 5. Okay, they say about the rule. Mhm. The rule for getting from one number one number in a sequence to the next is to add number 4 and divide by 2. Okay, so how you find the sequence? They asked you the rule. Okay, they are given a rule. Okay, so the rule says about, okay, so for example, this is the box. Okay, so you're going to input any number. Okay, for example, they are giving, okay, the 12th number going to put. So what you're going to do is you need to add 4. Okay, and then, okay, so after adding you need to do what? Okay, then you divide by 2. Yeah, so this is the rule they are giving. Okay, and for example, they are giving the sequence 12, 8, 6, 5. Yeah, this is the example which is already given in the paper. Yeah, so for example, if you add 4 with 12, so it's going to be 16. Yeah, and 16 divided by 2 is a 8. So the next number will be 8. Exactly the same way, 8 plus 4, which is 12, and 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. So the next number. So this is the rule is giving what you're going to do. The number you're going to add by 4 and then divide by 2, get the next number of the sequence. Okay, come to the point now. Okay, the question number 5, part A. Okay, so they already explained you, okay, how to find the next number in the sequence. Okay, so if the first number if the first number in the sequence is 60. Okay, if the first number in the sequence is 60, find the third one. Find the third number. Okay, so the first number in the sequence is given, which is 60, and we need to find the third number. Okay, so very simple. Okay, so the first number is 60. The rule says add 4. Okay, which is 64, and then divide by 2. So it means the second number will be 32. So this is our second number, okay? But they ask find the third number. So what you're going to do it, okay? So 32 plus 4 equal to 36 divide by 2, so equal to 18. So this is our third number. So the answer is 18. Okay. So very simple, very easy questions. Okay. Carefully read the instruction. The examiner asks about this is the rule for the sequence. Okay. The next number you're going to find by adding 4 and divide by 2. So as per the example I explained, and the part A is says the first number is 60. So 60 plus 4 equal to 64. 64 divided by 2, 32. And this is the second number. And the third number same as 32 plus 4 divided by 2 equal to 18. So now we are going to solve the second part. Okay. So second part is says if the first number of the sequence is 2, find the fourth number. Okay, so it says the first number, so first number in case the same rule. Okay, the first number in the sequence is 2. Okay, the number is 2. Find fourth number in the sequence. Fourth number in the sequence, yeah. And answer, they also explain the answer as a fraction. So answer as a fraction or decimal, yeah. So it can be decimal, form of decimal, or in case of fraction, both are acceptable. Okay, so same rule. Okay, we need to apply. So I'm going to need some space, so I'm going to erase this one, the part A. So the second part says if a first number is 2, so the first number is 2, so find the fourth number. So the first number is 2, so 2 plus 4 divided by 2, okay, so it means 6. 2 times 3 is 6, yeah. So it means this is our second number. Okay, this is second number. And the third one is same, 3 plus 4 divided by 2 equal to what? 7 divided by 2. So the number will be 3.5. So this is our third number. Okay. And the fourth number exactly the same way. So 3.5 plus 4 divided by 2. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7.5 divided by 2. Okay. So what's the answer for this one? Very simple. Okay. So if I divide by, okay, 7 divided by 2 equal to 3.5. Yeah. And if I divide by what? 0.5. Yeah. Divide by, so it will be what? 0.25. Yeah. So the answer will be what? 3.75. So the answer will be 3.75. Yeah. Or in form of fraction, you can write down the answer as a 3 3/4. Yeah. Okay. So any form of the answer, okay, is acceptable, either decimal or mixed number. So both are acceptable. So this is the second part, okay. So that's it for today, okay. Otherwise, the video is going to be very long, okay. So question number 5, CSSE 2023 part 1 and part 2 we solved, okay. So hope you like this video, okay. Please like and share with your family and friends. If you need any help, support, especially for CSSE 11 plus, so don't hesitate to contact me. My number is already there. So hope see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.